we are in the driver's seat of the all-new 2023 BMW iX xDrive 50i. It's BMW's all-electric SUV, and we were just stuck on this canyon road, speed limit of 55, and we're going 33, so letting some cars go by, and we'll see what this thing could do. So far, very impressed with the acceleration, handling, amenities, quite the head-turning vehicle, and BMW is well on their way to electrifying the brand. All right, now that we have a little bit of a gap, we can see exactly how this handles. Nice canyon road over here, Ortega Highway. It's a decent road, but heavily trafficked. What's nice now is ordinarily you'd be pushing the brake before getting into a turn. The regen is pretty aggressive on this BMW, so you just let off the accelerator a little bit and it really grabs. Of course, you can see down the road the BMW probably have some M versions and make it even more aggressive, kind of like what Audi's doing with their e-tron GT and GT RS. I still prefer the visceral feeling of rear-wheel drive manual, normally aspirated engine, but we all have to evolve, and the auto industry is in full swing. I can tell you that public chargers are still an issue, but back to this BMW. It's comfortable, it's spacious, it's quick, and it's agile. It really checks a lot of boxes off. I'm thoroughly impressed. Starting price about $83,000, as tested about $100,000. There's about a 6-month waiting list, so if you order yours today, you'll get it in about 6 months. So as you can see, BMW has now gone with this one-piece infotainment screen, much like Mercedes did a couple of years ago, and it works, it makes sense. I anticipate every car company is going to have a version of this. Why not just manufacture one big screen? You can segment it, customize it. The menu items, the number of apps in this vehicle, it's crazy. It's as many apps as you have on your phone, and this is the future. I feel like the smartphone has helped us migrate into electric vehicles from being dependent on it for charging and also for information, and it seems like they're just blending into one. Now, what each car company does with the skateboard or the platform, because that's really where we're headed, kind of full circle. There'll be this electric platform and be able to pick the range and based on the battery size and capacity and etc., and how much weight's going to be on the vehicle and what packaging, whether it's going to be a sedan, a sports car, an SUV, or a truck. But that's really where everything is headed, and it just makes a lot of sense, especially here in California, where gasoline's $7 a gallon, but not everybody can afford $80,000 to $100,000, and that's what this vehicle costs. Now, vehicles like the Ioniq 5 are called crossovers. The Ioniq 5 does not feel anywhere near as big as this car, but it's a much more affordable crossover electric vehicle, and you get 2 free years of charging with that one. So back to BMW, I think they went with an interesting layout here. I like the color selection, and you can choose different colors. Like I don't know how well this fabric is going to this like suede Alcantara I don't know how well that's going to hold up over time, but it seems to be doing fine just now. And yeah, the steering wheel has an interesting design. I mean, we've seen flat bottom steering wheels, but it seems to be Tesla kind of started a trend with these funky steering wheels, and that's what we have here. But it works. Relatively limited number of controls. Everything nowadays is controlled by a master switch, and you can, and some steering controls, and you can customize your screens. Right now we have this setup here where we have our speed and speed limit on the side, and a little map for navigation in the middle. You also have your Apple CarPlay here, but you can easily get out of that and get into the BMW menu. So overall, nice job. Great head-up display, by the way. That and the backup camera is tremendous. I mean, they've come such a long way with the clarity and vividness. Seats are comfortable. We have massaging seats, which are nice. Always welcome. And they're supportive. This vehicle has plenty of headroom. You got the panoramic sunroof. A lot of nice features. This is definitely a luxury vehicle, and if you have a level 2 charger at home, this could be an amazing vehicle to own, and one you can, with proper planning, drive cross country if you needed to. I don't know how many people drive cross country. I've done it 5, about to do it my 6th time. It's not an easy task, and so many people are worried about range, but the reality is we drive about 40 to 50 miles a day on average. So this could almost last you a week with proper driving. So we're going down the hill now, so we're gonna pick up some range, and then we'll give you a little taste of the acceleration.